look around and see the four walls of your room. Now suppose you want to put wallpapers on these four walls of your room. Now you contact a person for this. Now he wants to know how much wallpaper he will need to put those wallpapers on the four walls of your room. So what did he do? He took out the dimensions of your room. He found out that the length of your room was 25 meters, the breadth of your room was 20 meters, and the height of your room was 7 meters. Now, will the concept of total surface area help him? Now, what is total surface area? It tells us about the total area of the 6 surfaces of a cuboid. But here, you want only the area of these 4 surfaces to take out the area of wallpaper you will need. So here, we introduce a new concept or a new term known as lateral surface area. Now this lateral, this means sideways. Here you want to know the area of only 4 sides of your room. So we will calculate the lateral surface area of your room. So what is this lateral surface area? The lateral surface area means the sum of areas of the 4 walls of a cuboid. Now that is what we call lateral surface area. So in this case, for putting wallpapers, you need the area of only 4 walls of your room. So we'll get it straight away from lateral surface area. Now let's see how this lateral surface area is calculated. Now for calculating the lateral surface area or any normal area of a side, what do? You multiply the length and breadth or the 2 dimensions of that surface. So suppose for this wall, we have this breadth which is 20 meters and we know the height, that is 7 meters. So to find out the area of this surface, what we will do? We'll do breadth into height. Now what about this surface? Now for this surface, we know that the length is given as 25 meters and again we need the height, that is 7 meters. So how will we find out the area of this surface? As length into height. Now in the same way, for this surface, we will repeat the process of this surface, breadth into height, and for the left out the 4th surface, we'll get length into height. So after adding these 4, let's see what we'll get. We'll get 2 length into heights and 2 breadth into heights. So we get 2 LH plus 2 BH, or taking out 2 common, we get 2 LH plus BH. So this is how we calculate the lateral surface area. So now you know how to calculate lateral surface area of a cuboid. The lateral surface area of a cuboid is 2 BH plus LH. Now this is what? This is actually the area of 4 walls of a room or the 4 sides of a cuboid. Now taking H common, we get 2 brackets B plus L into H. Now we know that the length of the room was 25 meters, the breadth of the room was 20 meters, and the height of the room was 7 meters. Now can you find out the lateral surface area of this room for me? Now let us take out the lateral surface area. It is what? 2 brackets B plus L into H. So let us put the values in the formula. 2 brackets, this is B plus this is L into H, or we can write it as 2 into 45 into 7. This gives us 2 into 45 as 90 and 90 into 7 as 630 centimeter square. Now why centimeter square? Because area is always calculated in square units. Now we know that the lateral surface area of the room was 630 meters square. Now area of one wallpaper that person found out was 50 meters squares. So how many wallpapers do we require? Well, for number of wallpapers required, we can divide the lateral surface area of our room by area of one wallpaper. Now solve this. Lateral surface area is 630 meters square and area of wallpaper is 50 meters square. So now let's cancel it. We get something as 1.6. That gives us around 13 wallpapers. Now you know how to find out the lateral surface area. Now we have given you this cuboid which has dimensions 4, 5 and 12 meters. You can take the length as 12 meters, breadth as 5 meters and height as 4 meters. Now find out the lateral surface area yourself. Now we know that the lateral surface area can be calculated with the formula 2 brackets b plus l into h. Now let's put these values in this formula and solve the sum. So the lateral surface area is equal to 2. We have to take b. So let's take, this is b, plus l into h. So this is h. We take this as 4. Now let's solve this. 2 into 12 plus 5 is 17 into 4. Or we get this as 4 into 4, which gives us 136 meter square. So we have successfully found out the lateral surface area of this cuboid.